Hey guys, all remote accountants out there. My name is Vince. I'm posting my second video here. Today is October 5th. Yesterday we had a big Facebook outage, and so that affected my group, the Remote Accountants Group. So some of you here on the YouTube channel are part of that group. So anyway, that was down for a bit, but we seem to be back up here on Facebook. And so here for YouTube, I want to post about updates in that group, and also accountants in general, what they can expect. So if you're not a part of that Facebook group, you can click the link there down below to get access to that Facebook Remote Accountants Group. So today is about a couple things in this video. I want to talk about jobs that I'll be posting tomorrow. I'll give you the time I'll be posting those jobs on this video at the end here, as well as some of the jobs that are available. And I also want to talk about Excel. So all of my videos, I'm going to try to do a little tutorial of some sort to help out the accounting concepts. A little bit about me. I'm an accountant myself. I've been working in accounting for 2 decades. And so I have a lot of experience dealing with different programs and different aspects of accounting. And I have a lot of different clients that I help out with accounting too as well. So it kind of makes me in a position where I can help out as best as I can with answering some questions. The group on Facebook is really great because you can just ask that question and people can answer whatever it is that you may need. So getting into one of the questions that I saw on my group is about Excel. People had asked, what do you use Excel for? And some accountants had laughed, and I had done the same because I use Excel for everything. Whether it be a spreadsheet for timesheets for payroll, or whether it be for like keeping up with month-end close. Depreciation schedules, prepaid schedules. Excel is just such a great thing to use to keep track of those various schedules and to make sure that you stay on top of your work. So obviously, if you're not already using it, do use it. If you are using it, take tutorials on YouTube and elsewhere about how to learn about it better. I'll try to do something on my channel too here, so that way I could teach you about Excel a little bit. It's going to be something down the line, but for right now, just to answer that question, if you're not already using it, do use it, and if you are, just hone your skills. I really feel that that's something that's going to be very valuable to you in your career as an accountant. So just make you aware of that. But okay, let's get on to the job postings. And by the way, on this YouTube channel, subscribe to it. I will post about the job openings first here, or at least let you know about the time. I'll be letting you know on that group on Facebook when I'll be posting that. And so, in any case, I want to let you know here in the channel that tomorrow I will be posting this. This will be on October 6th. I'll be posting this at 9 a.m. On the Facebook group about these positions. These positions aren't my own, so do your own research. If you see something that looks great and fantastic, do apply, but understand you do have to do your own research and find out who the individual is that's hiring, what the requirements are, whether or not it looks legitimate, because there's a lot of people that contact me on the group that say, hey, got these job openings, and sometimes, they could be a little bit different than what they seem. So again, do your own research. These aren't my own positions, so I'm not saying that these are all outstanding ones, but they just happen to be available positions that they're telling me about. So you can check it out, and so that way you can see whether or not it works for you. The first one I'll be posting is a general accountant. Accountant, sorry, I should say that better. It's a work for home situation. They do require a CPA and degree. And so you'll see that posting again tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Keep that in mind, the Pacific Standard Time part. That will be posting of that. The second position here is the business manager and certified accountant. That posting will be available for you too as well, and you can see some of the qualifications for that. One of the other job postings that another person is looking for is called SMSF Accountant, who knows BGL Desktop. Again, these are not my own, so some of these acronyms I'm not very familiar with. So in the future, I'll try to see if I can look up some of that to see what that means for accountants on there. Some of it is as confusing to others as it is for me. But in any case, that's available out there. The fourth one I'll be posting is somebody who's looking for a lot of positions: AP, AR, financial analyst, a tax analyst. So if you have any of those kind of qualifications, be looking for that too as well. Again, that's going to be made available to you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 10/6, and so I'll post that in the Facebook group so you can be aware of that. And to be fair to the people who are subscribed to this channel, because I want you to people to subscribe on here, I will have some times where I post about this, and I'll post about it right away. So that way people who are subscribers to this channel can learn about it not only first, but then see it immediately on the group. So that way that there's a benefit to you as a subscriber, so you can see that job posting happen right away. So in any case, I hope that was good for you. Again, Excel, use that, learn more skills behind it, hone your skills. On this channel, again, I'll try to have more tutorials on there for you. And I'm even thinking like even guest speakers too, that can come on and just talk about their various skills in accounting and help you out with accounting software and other things too as well. So anyway, you probably see like boats behind me. Actually, a little bit about my situation. I live on a boat, and so you can see like boats over there. So in any case, I'm an unusual situation, but it does show you the power of remote accounting and remote jobs that you can kind of work from anywhere. So I've got like a little hot spot, and I work from my boat over here. So it's kind of the way it is, and it's kind of nice. And I know people work from around the world. On my group, I have people from the Philippines, people from Pakistan, people from the United States, everywhere that I can think of really around the world, in Europe and elsewhere, even some people in Africa too as well. That it's amazing to see the collection of people. And so remote jobs are really becoming that. Just you have the internet, you plug in, and then you can help somebody else from across the world. And I think it's really amazing. I read a book years ago that talked about that kind of dynamic in the works, and so here we are seeing this in 2021 play into effect and carrying on to the future. We see more of these remote jobs, and so it presents opportunities for so many people. And so one of my jobs is to try to give back as best as I can, and to help people out. And so I try to give them job positions and give them advice to help you out. So again, if you've subscribed to this, thank you for doing so. If you haven't, please do so, and hit the like button too on this channel. I already have about 26 subscribers right now. It just started off. Thank you for everyone who's subscribed to this channel. I do really appreciate that, and I look forward to talking to you even more. Thank you very much.